Anyway, I begged on Facebook for all these women or anybody to show me where to get sloppy joes or how to make, if they'd make me sloppy joes. Nobody do it. So I went to the store today. Me and Leroy picked it all out. We already cooked. We couldn't decide. I already got the meat grounded. So you got Manwich Original. Look. And then you got Sloppy Joe. And you thought I was probably kidding about this one. Not so Sloppy Joe. So it's up to you really what you pick for the first batch. So we got it grounded and cooked. For now, we gotta add the sauce.
That's some spicy
meat there. I tried to find the most white trash. You do it better sitting down, man.
Yeah, probably.
You probably get a better grip.
Shit, fuck.
You just break my damn chair. Move.
God damn it.
You did break it or you didn't?
I broke it. I'm sorry.
You've been framed. Here you go. Have a part to a light bulb top. Why was that in the chair?
Oh, fuck.
You smoking meth out the light bulbs again?
We will talk about that later.
The time I was talking to my cousin, he said he was fucking his cousin. At least it wasn't the first.
Well, with all that aside, I want you to open.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just pour that in. Leroy likes his stirred counterclockwise from right to left. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Don't censor it with your mitten there.
I'm trying not to. Put it all in there. God damn, it looks like my bloody cousin.
Because I'm going to show you why we're not wasteful sinners in this house. You see how there's a little bit left in there? I actually learned this from, I'm not quite sure. I hope nobody taught me this. I hope I didn't have anybody this rough in my life. But yeah, you got the sauce there. We don't waste that. So you makeshift a shaker cup. That's a white trash shaker cup there. So now you got the created sauce. Look, we don't waste in this house. Okay, we're back from the gym. We left the chili on high for about a good 2 hours or so while we were gone. Next, you get your oven preheated for the tots at 450 degrees. And then, what's up with these buns, man? I wanted cheap buns, and you get these fancy Donald Trump brand buns. How much do you pay for those?
Fucking 99 cents for that shit.
For how many?
For a fucking party pack.
Where'd you get that kind of money? We got the chili seasoning, or manwich anyway. The oven's preheated, but I just noticed this. My door's broken. Who broke my door?
I think, yeah, he did it.
Is everything gonna break around here today?
Yeah, I think so.
Anyway, beer. Which one do you want, the red or the cherry?
Give me the red one too.
Red, yeah. This is that one that fell from Anna, probably.
Oh, all right. Somebody plays Stone Cold Steve Austin music. I'll just go.
Here you go. You wanted that one too?
Yeah.
Okay. Now most white trash people would just pity party this bun and just leave it like this.
Wow, it's surprising that one didn't explode on me.
Look at this. Oh, film the food, man. So you butter your little white trash roll. Who else is doing this?
Is that suntan?
Yeah, it is. Suntan lotion. Who else is doing this?
No,
look, hang on, check it out.
Absolutely nobody.
Ed Hardy brand bun buttering bronzer. You can use it for the bronzer, you can use it for the buns. Anyway, I got more to do, but you get the general idea. You're just gonna butter each little bread individually, and then you're gonna toast that mother effer. Do you want yours toasted? I don't want to toast it if you want.
Sure, I'll take mine toasted.
But you still rolling?
Yeah, I'm still wrong.
Who else is making sloppy joes like this in Biloxi?
Shit, I don't know. Who is?
No, this is better than store made.
Better than store made? Alright.
We're gonna toast that.
Look at the
Probably 300 degrees. I don't know. I've never used this toaster. I'm about to break this door though.
Drink this for $5 million.
You drink that for 5 million?
5 million? Yeah, $5 million on the
Then
line.
you're saying?
No.
5 mil? 5 fucking mil! Yeah, would you?
5 million? Yeah.
5 million? I'd jug that fucker.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Just what?
All right, you got your mitts on, safety first, but show them the world famous Devon ravioli tater tots.
Oh, yeah, we gotta do this. You still got that can of ravioli?
Jesus, actually, I ate that before the gym. You took like 3 of them out of my house the other night. All right, forget the ravioli. Just show the tots from beginning to end so nobody can mess this up.
Alright. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in the oven, but in this video we're gonna add our secret sauce, you hear? But before
Are you putting it straight in the oven like this, or are you gonna dump them out first?
Oh, I don't know. Should I leave them in the bag? But I'm gonna dump them out. I'm gonna dump them out. Alright, there you go. Now I'm gonna throw some at Leroy. See if he can catch it with his big body-eyed head.
We might need 2 trays for this.
Yeah,
Do you recommend 2?
No, I think we can do it. We just gotta spread
Leroy,
it out.
what do you think?
We gotta spread it out a little bit. Where's the damn cheese at?
That's a great idea,
Yeah,
actually.
where's the damn cheese at? We gotta melt
I
this
really
cheese.
think we should do 2 trays.
Leroy, get this camera over here. Your head brighter than my future. Your forehead is flat in the chalkboard.
Wait a minute. Wait. Hang on. They're fighting.
Yeah, that's what I was like.
This is white trash fighting. White on white violence.
Missing.
What have you done? You go ahead and tell me what you've done.
Oh my God. Look at him. Now be real careful putting them in there.
Where?
You can look in the book.
Okay. No, I'm looking for a room.
Oh, shit, damn, she was.
Who's alright?
All right. Now kick that. Well, no, kick it. Never mind. You'll shatter that glass. All right. Now, how long do you recommend cooking these for?
Oh, God, I don't know.
Be careful, man. Whoa, that's smoking. Hang on. Hold this. Yeah, hold this thing. Hold this thing.
Oh god.
Wow.
It just pointed up like, oh shit.
It's still smoking.
What the fuck?
Touch them real quick. See if they're. Hang on. Oh hell. Let me touch one of them and see if they're done.
They done? They look like they're done.
They're a little gooey.
Divine gooey.
Those ones look good. Let's leave these in a little longer. Grab the other ones. These ones got white trash.
Oh, shit. You want the tater tots experts?
Yeah, those are good.
What about these ones in there?
Just try
I'm
one.
like, bitch, I'm gonna take one of these.
That's right. Now check these ones in here.
That's how you inspect them.
Eat them.
You bite it.
Where's the,
Here, take your oven mitt, boy.
That's why a woman's always full.
Do you really think I should put on the helmet? Do you really?
Yeah, those are fine.
You think so? They definitely stuck together. They're good. You did right, Devin.
yeah, pretty good.
Now, who taught you this recipe how to put these in the oven and all that? Yeah.
5-star nutrients. Go hit them up.
Okay, alright.
Cholesterol problems.
You're supposed to pour it in
In
your
your
hand.
hand.
Yeah.
I trust your hand because you
Pour it in your hand.
There you go.
Don't add any to that one. He's gonna give us diabetes.
Yeah, that's what
Diabetes.
And it's the iodized salt too. It ain't even sea salt.
Really?
He's gonna kill us.
Look,
Sea salt's better for
great
you.
value.
Say it again.
Value. Great value. Everything here came
You
from
look like the
Walmart.
meat guy. You got a over your shoulder.
So the moral of the story is you can be white trash and you can still cook. Homemade tater tots.
We all went for the fucking tater tots.
You know I made all these Joes and you're going for the tater tots. Go
one's
go
toasted?
for the Joe.
It's gonna be messy.
That's the point.
We need a plate.
Well,
Get
here.
everywhere.
That's the point, sloppy.
We like our Joes like we like our women. Yeah. Here you go, the fine china. Careful with this now, you don't want that to shatter. Here you go.
It's not bolts to the firm.
Is it good, Devin? You're not talking.
It means it's fucking good. I'm eating.
You helped me make it. I'm gonna show you later. There was a secret ingredient we added.
What, cocaine?
Meth?
You'll know when the video gets posted. But I've
What
never
shit
been.
was it?
Yeah. You gotta watch the video. But it's a very white trash ingredient. But I've never been. This is the first time I've cooked in this house.
Good though.
It really is good. Yeah. And people think
Like I'm gonna smash my face.
there's nothing. Do it.
Alright.
There's nothing more white trash than watching
Hey,
some
do you want
Jerry
to get the towel right
Springer.
behind her or right under her chin? I'm gonna smash the entire food in front of her
It's
face.
not my birthday.
Now you're gonna use some of that expensive ketchup.
Yes, I
God,
want
you
the
put it in
expensive
top.
kind. It's so expensive I can't hold it.
And some of this mixed with some cherry Coke, that's become my favorite drink around the house lately.
Or
What's that? What are you drinking, the red?
Yeah.
Fuck you, I'm going home.